Hello there! Today we're diving into the thrilling world of electric vehicles, where a new contender has emerged from the east. Get ready to meet the BYD Qin L, a car that's generating quite a buzz, especially as a potential Tesla Model 3 killer. Now I know what you're thinking. Can a Chinese car really take on the EV giant? Well, buckle up because this is a story you won't want to miss. The BYD Qin L has arrived with a bang, boasting an incredibly attractive price tag that significantly undercuts the Tesla Model 3. We're talking a difference that would make even the most frugal driver raise an eyebrow. This aggressive pricing strategy is a direct challenge to Tesla's dominance, particularly in the Chinese market. And let me tell you, the Chinese market is a big deal, folks. But it's not just about the price. The Qin L comes packed with features, a sleek design, and impressive performance that's turning heads and making people reconsider their EV options. Tesla has enjoyed a comfortable reign for quite some time, but the game has officially changed. The EV market is no longer a one-horse race, and the competition is heating up faster than a Formula E car on the starting grid. Right then, let's talk about how BYD manages to offer the Qin L at such a competitive price. Well, there are a few key ingredients in their recipe for success. First off, BYD is a vertically integrated company, meaning they have a hand in almost every stage of production, from battery technology to manufacturing. This gives them greater control over costs and allows them to streamline the process. Secondly, BYD benefits from government support for electric vehicles in China. This comes in the form of subsidies and incentives which help reduce the overall cost for the consumer. It's like getting a helping hand from the government to go green, and who wouldn't love that? But the real game changer is BYD's mastery of battery technology. They're pioneers in developing and producing their own batteries, including the innovative Blade battery. This technology boasts impressive energy density, meaning more range in a smaller, lighter package. And here's the kicker, it's also incredibly safe, surpassing industry standards in safety tests. So, not only are they saving money, but they're also pushing the boundaries of what's possible in battery technology. Clever chaps, these BYD folks. Now, for the bit you've all been waiting for, how does the BYD Qin L stack up against the Tesla Model 3 in terms of performance and tech? First off, let's talk numbers. The Qin L boasts a respectable range that can compete with the Model 3, especially in real-world driving conditions. While the exact figures may vary depending on the trim level and battery pack, it's clear that BYD has focused on delivering a practical and usable range for everyday driving. When it comes to technology, both vehicles are packed with goodies. Large touchscreens dominate the interiors, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. They've got all the bells and whistles you'd expect from modern EVs. Tesla, of course, is known for its advanced autopilot system, which offers a degree of self-driving capability. BYD is also making strides in autonomous driving technology, and while it might not be on par with Tesla's system just yet, it's rapidly catching up. Safety is paramount in both vehicles, with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. BYD's Blade battery deserves special mention here, as its unique design and chemistry make it incredibly resistant to thermal runaway, a major safety concern with lithium-ion batteries. This focus on safety is a key selling point for the Qin L, giving it an edge over some competitors. Now let's step inside and have a look at the cabins. The Tesla Model 3's interior is known for its minimalist design, dominated by that massive touchscreen that controls almost everything. Some people love it, some people find it a bit too simplistic. The BYD Qin L, on the other hand, takes a more traditional approach with a blend of physical buttons and digital displays. In terms of build quality, both manufacturers have made significant strides in recent years. Gone are the days when Chinese cars were synonymous with questionable quality. The BYD Qin L boasts a well-put-together interior with decent materials and a solid feel. Tesla, while generally known for good build quality, has faced some criticisms over panel gaps and inconsistencies. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference. Do you prefer Tesla's futuristic minimalism or BYD's more traditional approach? Either way, you're getting a well-designed and comfortable interior that's packed with technology. Section 5. Shifting Sands, BYD's Rise, and Tesla's China Challenge. Now, let's talk about the battle for market share, particularly in China, which, as I mentioned, is a massive market for electric vehicles. Tesla has enjoyed a strong presence in China for years, but things are changing and BYD is leading the charge. BYD's market share has been steadily climbing, fueled by a combination of attractive pricing, impressive technology, and a strong understanding of the local market. Tesla, on the other hand, has faced some headwinds in China. Increased competition from local brands like BYD, along with some negative publicity surrounding safety concerns and customer service issues, have put a dent in Tesla's armor. Don't get me wrong, Tesla is still a major player in China, but they're facing a much tougher playing field than they used to. This shift in market dynamics is a clear indication that Chinese consumers are increasingly open to embracing local EV brands. BYD, with its focus on affordability, technology, and a deep understanding of local preferences, is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Section 6, 2024, a year of contrasts in the EV arena. The year 2024 proved to be a pivotal one for both BYD and Tesla. BYD's sales soared to new heights, driven by the popularity of models like the Qin L, which resonated with consumers looking for an affordable yet feature-packed EV. Their strong performance in China played a significant role in their overall success, demonstrating the effectiveness of their strategy to cater to local preferences. Tesla, however, experienced a decline in sales, particularly in the Chinese market. The combined pressure of increased competition, economic slowdowns, and lingering concerns over brand image impacted their performance. This downturn served as a wake-up call for the EV giant, highlighting the need to adapt to the evolving market dynamics and address the challenges they faced. This divergence in fortunes underscored the volatile nature of the EV market, where even established players are not immune to challenges. BYD's success story demonstrated the power of strategic pricing, local market understanding, and continuous innovation in capturing market share. Tesla's setbacks, on the other hand, highlighted the importance of adaptability, brand image management, and a proactive approach to addressing emerging competition. Section 7, Global Ambitions, Revenue Projections, and Market Dominance. Looking ahead, both BYD and Tesla have set their sights on global EV market dominance. BYD, emboldened by its success in China, is aggressively expanding its reach into new markets across Asia, Europe, and beyond. Their strategy centers around leveraging their cost advantages, technological prowess, and a diverse product portfolio to appeal to a wider audience. Tesla, despite facing recent challenges, remains a formidable competitor with a strong global brand presence and a loyal customer base. Their future projections rely on ramping up production at their new gigafactories, introducing new models, and refining their existing offerings to regain lost ground and maintain their position as a leader in the EV space. The battle for global EV supremacy is far from over. Both BYD and Tesla possess unique strengths and face their own set of challenges. The coming years will be crucial for both companies as they navigate the complexities of an evolving market, technological advancements, and shifting consumer preferences. Section 8. Tesla fights back. New strategies for a changing landscape. In response to the rising tide of competition, Tesla isn't resting on its laurels. They've rolled up their sleeves and are implementing new strategies to reclaim their market share. One key area of focus is affordability. They've announced plans to introduce more budget-friendly models, aiming to appeal to a wider range of consumers who might find their current lineup out of reach. Another strategy involves doubling down on innovation. They're investing heavily in research and development, particularly in areas like battery technology, autonomous driving, and manufacturing efficiency. They know that staying ahead of the curve in these areas is crucial for long-term success. Tesla is also taking steps to improve its customer service and address some of the criticisms that have plagued them in recent times. They're expanding their service network, enhancing their online support channels, and focusing on providing a more seamless and positive ownership experience. After all, keeping existing customers happy is just as important as attracting new ones. Section 9. The Future of the Electric Avenue. BYD's reign or Tesla's resurgence. So there you have it. The battle for the future of the electric car is on. BYD has emerged as a serious contender, challenging Tesla's dominance with its affordable yet feature-packed offerings. The Chinese company's success story is a testament to the power of vertical integration, government support, and a keen understanding of local market dynamics. Tesla, while facing headwinds, is not backing down without a fight. They're leveraging their technological prowess, brand recognition, and global reach to defend their position. The EV market is still in its early stages and the competition is only going to get fiercer. The question is, who will emerge victorious in this electrifying showdown? Will it be BYD, the cost-effective innovator, or will Tesla regain its footing and continue to lead the charge? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the future of mobility is electric, and it's going to be a thrilling ride. Until next time, keep your motors running.